Diego Arce.
What's going on, guys?
Heli Direct and Team GOOSKY here. I just got, guess what, the new S1 Legend in the mail. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Fresh out the box, S1, of course. Ooh, beautiful. This is purple.
Sexy.
This is my favorite color, by the way. You get the helicopter, of course, one battery, charge cable, instructions here. Read those carefully. You get a bag of screws and zip ties, and you get a magic pack. Don't eat this. Help me, Diego, you got baby fingers. Can you get that out for me?
Not really.
No, you don't.
Well, it's in there. Huh? You guys can see it, isn't there? Bluetooth module.
Yeah, so here it is. Bluetooth module in here. It comes with it. So if you need to do your on-the-fly flybar edits and stuff like that, go ahead and plug that in, and you'll be good to go.
Now, one thing, guys, when you get a heli, you make sure you grab some batteries.
Yes. Get these.
4.
How many flights do you have on your other one? Like 9,000 or something?
Over 10,000.
Diego, will you pilot this model for me?
Sure, no problem.
There it is. Let's go.
Should have brought another battery in case I crash.
Full telemetry, battery capacity, all that. Who is the salt master, sir?
That's me.
Okay, got you. All right. Here we go. S1 GOOSKY. Let's go.
You flybarless controller, right?
Oh, yeah. So I'm going to talk.
IRCHA.
Yes. New flybarless control. Oh, jeez. No hovering, huh? I guess just right into it. Oh! Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Oh! Oh! Okay.
Windy, yeah?
I can't tell. Is that a pure winning funnel? Wow.
Pretty smooth, dog.
I'm thoroughly impressed. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Every time.
You can't tell, Dio. So if you're watching this, it is very windy, but it's not acting like it's windy. Look at that. Wow.
Batteries there.
Battery's dead.
Just keep on.
Oh! Oh, again! Oh! Oh! Oh, again! Bro, you're gonna break the landing. Actually, yeah, they don't break. GOOSKY is known for their super strong landing gear, all the way from the S1 to the RS7.
More speed bumps?
More.
Battery guys?
Oh, another one! Oh, that's amazing. Oh, nice. Battery's toast.
Battery's toast.
Battery's toast. Shouts out to Diego.
My battery is 3.45 volts. It's there.
Beautiful. Thank you, Diego. Thank you, Mr. Eric Gray.
Absolutely.
That's right. What's different about this than the first one?
Flybarless controller in ESC.
Okay,
And
so
now we support ELRS.
it sports ELRS. Also, they have these awesome mounts here to help with vibration. That's
Yes, they changed the mounting on the FBL.
Yes. So it's a few things that'll make this thing fly even better. Also, the tail fin is highlighted in white on the tips.
Yes.
I noticed. Right.
Yes.
So fine changes here and there, especially if you're running the TX16 Radio Master. It's almost pretty much plug and play.
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely, it feels more locked in.
Oh,
Yes,
right,
yes.
right.
It feels very nice.
Okay. Well, you heard it from us.
And you can run the gains a little higher.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
As
Here,
well.
I can show here where I mount my ELRS, but there is not much room.
Okay, yes, right there. Yep.
You gotta listen to the radio when I power on the radio.
Welcome back, Saint Master.